Do you know that the solution for this cough, this chronic cough, is very cheap? Solution for chronic cough is very, very cheap. Now, number one solution is bitter cola. I know you might be surprised. Bitter cola and cough. How does two of them align? Bitter cola is an anti-cough uh, seed, but you don't know about it. Now, this is how you're going to use bitter cola to cure your chronic cough. Peel the back of the bitter cola. Peel the back. Put it on your mouth. Don't swallow it. Don't chew it to pieces. Just be touching your teeth on it small small to be extracting the juice small small, little, softly, softly, gradually. Then now when you are extracting the juice gradually, you can take one liter cola for a whole day. That is if you are gradual, like you taking the extracting the juice with your teeth small small and be gulping it, just be swallowing it. It's very bitter. It's very, very bitter, but it's highly medicinal. It's very, very medicinal. Just take it bit by bit, bit by bit, slowly, slowly, slowly. You see the magic. Like, especially those that the cough will not let them sleep. You're not going to swallow it, I promise you. You're not going to swallow the seed, I promise you. Cough will not let them sleep. See, just put the bitter cola in your mouth, be swallowing it small small before you sleep. You might not even cough till the day break. Listen, note, I'm not saying that immediately you start chewing it, the cough will magically stop. No. But the result will be more than that costly drugs you are taking. I promise you, the result will be more than that costly drugs you're taking. Try this one. And if you watch up to this extent on this video, please share so that other people will know that bitter cola is an anti-cough seed, anti-cough herb. Please share. Note, when you are having cough, don't take hot water, don't take cold water, take warm water. Warm, not room temperature, warm water. So by using that warm water and you're chewing your bitter cola, I'm promising you that your chronic cough will be a story to tell, to be a history. And you say Kali White told you this. So what are you waiting for? Please like and share. Please comment. Ask your questions. I'm here to give you answers to that burning question of yours. I love you.